Welcome. If you're looking to share an account link on X, previously known as Twitter, you're in the right spot. Today, I'll guide you through the updated steps to copy an account link quickly and easily. Whether you want to share someone's profile with friends or promote an account, knowing how to copy the link is essential. Let's get started. First, open the X app on your Android device. Make sure you're logged in and on the home screen. Once you're in, navigate to the account you want to share. This could be a friend, a brand, or anyone you find interesting. Once you're on their profile page, look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see 3 dots. Go ahead and tap on those. This will open a menu with several options, making it easy for you to share what you need. In the menu that appears, find the option that says Share. Tap that, and you'll be presented with different ways to share the account link. Here's where the magic happens. You want to select the Copy URL option. By tapping this, the link to the account will be copied to your clipboard. Now, you can easily paste that link anywhere you want, be it in a message, on social media, or even in an email. It's that simple. Sharing accounts on X has never been easier, and this quick process can help you connect with others or promote accounts you love. And there you have it. You've successfully copied an account link on X. Remember, sharing is caring, so don't hesitate to spread the word about your favorite accounts. Happy sharing!